Hey, what's up guys, it's Marlakani here. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to count 180 to 200. So let's get started. So in my previous video, I taught you guys how to count 160 to 180, which was pretty easy with the 170 trick or technique to easily memorize. So yeah, so this one's also gonna be easy. Okay, so let's get started. So 180, we pronounce it as 180. 181, we pronounce it as 181 because 100 plus 80 plus 1 forms 181, does it? Okay, now 182, we pronounce it as 182. 183, 183. 184, we pronounce it as 184. 185, 185, 186, 186, 187, 187, 188, 188, 189, 189, 190, 190. Okay, so yeah, so here comes the fun part. So 190, 100, as we all know that 100 means 100 and 80 we know that it means 80 and 10 means 10. So 100 plus 80 plus 10, when you add them all together, it forms 190. 190. Isn't that cool, guys? Now 191, we pronounce it as 191. 192, we pronounce it as 192. 193, we pronounce it as 193. 194, we pronounce it as 194. 195, we pronounce it as 195. 196, we pronounce it as 196. 197, we pronounce it as 197 because 100 plus 80 plus 17 forms 197. 198, 198. 199, 199, and finally 200, 200. So yeah, so 100 means 100, so 200 means 200. Just like in English, like 100, 200. So yeah, same thing goes for French. Okay, now let's do the recap so that I can make sure that you guys know it by heart. Okay, so 180, we pronounce it as 180. 181, so just repeat after. 181, 182, 183, 183, and 184, 184. 185, we pronounce it as 185, and 186, we pronounce it as 186. 187, we pronounce it as 187. 188, we pronounce it as 188. And 189, we pronounce it as 189. And 190, 190. Now 191, we pronounce it as 191. 192, we pronounce it as 192. 193, we pronounce it as 193. 194, we pronounce it as 194. 195, we pronounce it as 195. And 196, we pronounce it as 196. 197, we pronounce it as 197 because 100 plus 80 plus 17 forms 197, doesn't it? Now 198, we pronounce it as 198. Now 199, we pronounce it as 199. And finally, 200, we pronounce it as 200. Yeah, guys, I hope you like this counting from 180 to 100 tutorial. So that was it for today's video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell too, and comment so that you won't miss any of my videos. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.